Dr. Chaitanya. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon working in Hyderabad. So I came to know about this Elegance Vidhyalaya at Surat, Gujarat from my seniors, and I decided to come here and learn about hair transplant, which is completely new to me. And so this course has been meticulously designed by Dr. Ashutosh Shah sir. It gives us an information about the complete journey of hair transplant patient, right from the consultations and how to explain the patients in their own language about the hair transplant procedure. Sir personally explains each and every candidate about the markings of the procedure, and also we get to see live hair transplant procedure here, and we also get to do hands-on surgery here, and the experience of my experience personally was far exceeded my expectations here, and I have learned a lot of things which I had previously not known about hair transplantation, and I'm thankful to Ashutosh sir for giving me this opportunity to learn complete steps of hair transplantation. Thanks a lot.